Hello, ma'am.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
I am fine. Ma'am,
Fine.
today's topic will be noun.
Today's topic will be
Noun.
nouns. And what about the proverbs and the idioms that day we were doing is left?
I think it is done.
No, it is not done. We still need to go through two, three of the exercises. So now pay attention here. Okay. Kaibelia,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
see the screen? Pay attention
Yes,
and
ma'am.
see the. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
A proverb, I have already told you what it is.
Yes.
Okay. Now, famous proverbs and their meanings. Birds of the same feather flock
Hey,
together.
ma'am, I was looking at this in this afternoon and found that you have not taught me this one, and
Which one?
and the other one is lost.
Other one?
The one you were teaching me today was there, and the other one that you taught yesterday was not there.
So they are different, no? That is why we have to do, no? Have you done this? See, you have not heard this also. He who plays the piper calls the tune. When one has to act according to a superior's wish, means you have to follow your superior, the person who is superior to you, and you have to act accordingly, is called he who plays the piper calls the tune. Out of sight, out of mind. Once you lose sight of a thing, you can forget it altogether. What does this mean? Once you lose sight of a thing, you can forget it altogether. Means, suppose if you are supposed to do something and you say that I will do it afterwards and you keep it aside, but then that thing you cannot see or it is out of your sight, then it is you might forget to do it. Correct?
Like homework.
Like homework. Very smart. Beggars can't be choosers. When a person is in a difficult situation, he can only take whatever he gets. So, whenever a person is in a difficult situation or a position, he has to do the he has and if he has very limited option, he has to take whatever the option that is available. He doesn't have a choice. Correct? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If you will not answer, I will not come to know. How many times have I told you?
No,
You
ma'am.
need to, yes, you need to answer.
No, ma'am.
What? No, ma'am.
Beggars can be choosers.
Okay, can you please explain?
Beggars can also be choosers.
For example,
If I give him two bags, he will not take two bags. Instead, he will take one bag. That his favorite.
look. So we are not here talking about actual beggars. We are talking about a person who is in a difficult situation and who does not have an option. We are talking about them as beggars. not the beggars as beggars. Okay, got it?
Beggars means street beggars.
Yeah, but we are not talking about street beggars here. We are talking about when a person, we are talking about a person who is in a difficult situation or a position here.
A person who is in a difficult situation may also choose.
Okay, but if he doesn't have a choice, then
Then he will die.
no, he will not die. He will think and choose whatever options are available with. Okay, got
Mm,
it?
yes.
All is well that ends well. Everything is acceptable as long as the ending is favorable.
And to, today is International Bagpipe Day.
Today is International
Bagpipe Day.
Bagpipe Day. Okay. So let's pay attention here. All is well that ends well means everything is acceptable as long as the ending is favorable. Yes, as long as there is happy ending, everything is
Bollywood
acceptable.
movie, like a Bollywood movie.
Hmm, like a Bollywood movie. True. Two hands are better than one. Two heads are better than one. Two people can do a better job together than one person doing it all alone. Right? Yes.
Yes.
Two people can do a better job together than one person doing it all alone. Look before you leap. Always be cautious before doing something big or important. If you plan to take some important decision, you have to think before taking that decision and look into all the pros and cons and then take the important decision. Correct? Yes or no?
Look before you leave. Leap. Always be cautious before doing something big or important.
Okay, so if you are planning to do something important, you have to know the pros and cons of doing that and then cautiously go ahead with whatever you decide, right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, next. Robbing Peter to save Paul. When somebody harms one person to cause some benefit to another. Okay, suppose if there is one person, he
Like appointing a secret agent for the uh, bringing money from another house.
please, no, no stories are coming in here. Okay, listen, what does it mean? Actually mean. Okay, you are not bringing money from anyone's house and you are not hiring any secret agents. Okay, when somebody one harms one person to cause some benefit to another, like the person is without knowingly or unknowingly he causes harm to one person, to just suppose there are two friends and the other friend also has a best friend. So what will happen here? The if that friend is close to the other friend, he will harm the other friend to bring benefit to his close friend. Okay? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
May hay when the sun shines, making full use of a given opportunity. Make hay when the sun shines. So you have to make full use of your given opportunity. Right?
Okay, I will grow crops on this season.
What will you do?
I will grow crops in this sunny season
You will grow crops. Why will you grow crops? It is
because it
not
is
showing it. The Make hay when the sun shines means, suppose if you have got an opportunity, suppose you become the prefect of the class, you have got an opportunity to become the prefect of the class, then you will try your level best to do
What
your
is the
duty.
meaning? What is the meaning of preface?
Monitor of the class.
Okay. I
Then
will
you,
never miss that opportunity. In
what
this
will you,
class, I have already been 20 times monitors.
yes, so you will use your opportunity. Yes,
If we miss an opportunity,
if you miss an opportunity, then you miss an opportunity.
what is the meaning of miss an opportunity?
You will come to know what is the meaning. Out of the out of the frying pan and into the fire, entering one difficult situation from another. Yes, out
As
of the
mentioned,
frying pan and into the fire. So once you are out
as
of one
mentioned,
difficult situation and you enter the other.
आसमान से निकले खजूर में अटके.
Oh my God, Hindi conversation, Hindi version in English class. A drawing man catches all straws. A person in difficulty will make use of the help he receives. Yes,
Yes,
a person in difficulty will always make use of any help that he receives.
well begun is half done. The starting a venture successfully is enough to fulfill it completely. What, ma'am, is the meaning of venture?
Venture means, suppose you start something like you start a reading club, but you start it successfully itself shows that you have half the well begun is half done. Means you start it very successfully and your half work is done. Correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Better
Speedily.
late than never. It's better to delay something than not doing it at all.
Okay.
Okay, so suppose if you have been given a worksheet, you delay it, but you do it, right? Instead
Yes.
of not doing it at all. Okay?
Yes. Yes. I do it.
Yes, very good. Have you done the English homework?
I have done.
Very good. A bird in hand is better than.
In first, in first exercise that is assaults, I have got 20.
Very good.
Sorry, not 20. 19.
Okay.
And in second one, I have got 17.
Why so?
Because I have not got wrong answers, the computer is showing wrong answers.
Okay, fine, no problem. A
Only
bird,
one is wrong.
a bird in hand is better than two in the bush. That day I already explained you. It is better to have something than nothing at all. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Sometimes plans often fail when too many people work on it. Right?
Plans often fail for coming together. Yes, I have seen it in a movie.
Yes. It never rains but pours. Things are never as good as they can or should be. Yes.
What, what, ma'am?
Things are never as good as they can or should be. It
It
never
never
rains
rains.
but pours.
Things are never as good as they can or should be.
Sometimes you
Okay.
might think that this is going to be excellent, but it is not necessary that it will be excellent. It might be okay. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Rome was not built in a day. Difficult tasks always take time to accomplish. Yes,
Uh, Rome was not built in a day. Rome was built in a day.
Rome was not built in a day. Difficult tasks always take time to
Ma'am,
accomplish.
how many days it took to build Rome?
That we will see later. Amelia, let's do this first. You reap what you sow. Your results are just consequences of your own actions. Your
Oh,
results are just
environment.
consequence
You reap what you sow. Your results are just
of your
consequences.
own actions.
And
Think of
tomorrow is
doing
my
something,
result.
suppose if you think of doing something bad to someone, right? It might
Yes.
be possible something bad might happen to you. Yes?
Okay, ma'am. And tomorrow is my result. Exam result.
Oh my god, all the best. Every dog has his day.
What?
Every person can have lucky days and favorable outcomes. Yes, everyone has their lucky day. Hopefully, Cavalier has a lucky day tomorrow, right?
I think so.
I think so.
I don't think so.
Hunger is the best sauce. Everything tastes good when you are hungry but have nothing to eat. Everything tastes good when you are hungry but have nothing to eat.
I have
The
nothing to eat, but everything tastes good.
oh,
Like the computer, laptop, and the studies.
the proof that pudding is in its eating. We can know whether something is good or bad only after trying it, right? If you do not try something, how will you come to know whether it is good or
Everything
bad?
is bad.
Yes. Once bitten, twice shy. A person who has been in a bad situation before is always cautious. A
Okay, ma'am.
person who has been in a bad situation before is always cautious.
I have never been cautious.
Why?
I don't like to be cautious.
You have to be cautious. No? Okay, next. Let sleeping dogs lie. Avoid interfering in a situation that is currently causing no problems. If there is a problem and it is not causing you any harm or anything, then avoid interfering in that situation.
Okay, ma'am. I will not do that anymore.
Okay.
But I will say,
Make hay while the sun shines. We've already done. More haste, less speed. You make better progress with a task.
sleeping dogs lie.
Can we go ahead?
No.
Why so?
Avoid interfering in a situation that is currently causing no problems. Okay, ma'am. Make hay while the sun shines. More haste, less speed.
You read this in case if you don't understand any, ask me. Read all of these.
More haste, less speed. You make better progress and with a task if you don't try to do it too quickly. Okay. I will do it quickly and I will make mistakes.
Why? But you will do quickly and make mistakes.
I want to do it.
Oh, then it is your choice.
My
Nobody is
choice,
asking you
my
to
own
do
body.
that.
My
No,
choice, my body.
no news is good news. Without information to the contrary, you can assume that all is well, right?
Contrary, ma'am, what is the meaning of contrary?
So, in case if you have not received any information about anything, you assume that everything is good. Okay?
Okay.
Yes?
Okay, ma'am, but if everything is bad,
What?
if everything is bad,
If everything is bad, then you when you will come to know it will be bad. But until and unless you don't know anything, everything is good. Yes?
okay.
One good turn deserves another. If someone does you a favor, you should take the chance to repay it. Yes?
Mm, repay it.
Yes. One man's meat is another man's poison. Things liked or enjoyed by one person may be distasteful to another. So somebody may enjoy something, somebody may not enjoy the same things, right?
Okay.
Yes. Out of sight, out of mind, we've already done.
Out
Pride
of sight,
goes
out of mind. Okay.
Pride goes before a fall. If you are too conceited or self important, something will happen to make you look foolish. So if you are too
Pride
proud
goes
of
before Pride goes before a fall. If you are too conceited, ma'am, what is the meaning of
so
conceited?
you become too overconfident or you start giving yourself too much importance, thinking that I know everything, but you will make a fool of yourself.
Like Pandit.
Something will happen and you will look foolish. Okay?
Yes.
So never be too overconfident.
Đâu Tao tú thầy toàn gửi làm giàu chứ. Ha.
Sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander.
Athrod.
Cor class.
Athrod.
Sorry, one is all sad.
Athrod.
Particular the for also.
What happened?
No, nothing.
You want to drink water? You can drink water.
I don't want to drink water and be police in the class.
You have?
I don't want to drink water and be police in the class.
You will be in the class only, no?
But I will miss the half of the class
Why?
by drinking water.
Mhm. By drinking water, you will miss half of the class. Very good.
Yes.
Okay, next.
I will don't waste time.
Okay, very good boy. Sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander. If one person is allowed to do something or to behave in a particular way, then another person must be allowed to do that thing or behave in that way too.
Oh.
Okay?
Someone behaves badly to someone, then the other person will also behave to him badly.
Yes. Set a thief to catch a thief. Used to indicate that people will be dealt with strictly in the order in which they arrive or apply. Yes?
Those who indicate that people will be dealt, ma'am. What is the dealt, ma'am?
Means they will be also they also will be used to indicate that people will be dealt with strictly in the order in which they arrive or apply. So suppose if there is a thief, okay, and the punishment for the thief is xyz, some punishment, so it will be dealt very strictly with that person. Now you want to know the meaning of dealt means to do something.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Uh, uh, one,
Deal, dealt.
छोटा
It is past. It
छोटा
is
चोर
past.
छोटा
It
चोर
is
wanted is equals to rupees 1 million.
no, please, no, no, no. We are not going off track. Spare the rod and spoil the child. If children are not punished when they do wrong, they will suffer. Okay, so if some child has done something wrong and we do not punish him for something that he's done wrong, then he will repeat his mistakes. Yes?
No,
No? Why?
he will understand by his own.
Okay, fine. Still waters run deep. A quiet or placid manner may conceal a passionate nature. So, a person
Is
whom
this
you
idiom
think,
now?
yes,
Is this idiom now?
yes, Proverbs,
This is Proverbs. I think we are in the idiom section.
yes. A person, uh, a, a quiet, suppose if a person is very quiet, but that person
Still
might,
waters run. Still waters run deep. A quiet or
might be
placid
very
manner.
intelligent. You
What
might
means?
think that the person is very quiet and he does not know anything, but that person might know everything and must be very smart. Okay?
The outside he must be police, but inside he must be lying a secret.
Oh God, police, secret, thief. What all example? I'm giving you a simple example. If a person is quiet and you think that the person does not know anything, but that person might be very intelligent. Got it?
Yes.
We never miss the water till the well runs dry.
If
We
he
miss
if
we
he
miss
is
one.
if
Unity is strength. You know this, you know the meaning, right? Sticking together is a source of strength. You know this, right?
yes, ma'am. I mean, if in truth we believe that the person is not smart, and if the person will be not smart, then
What? What? Can you come again?
no, ma'am.
No, no, please. No, no. What example did I give you? No. Yes.
Yes. And
Next.
if the person is, if we believe that the person is not smart, and in truth, if the person will be not smart, then what we will do?
But then that this proverb does not good for that person. No? Got it?
This role only looks for that person.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay. Next. We never miss the water till the well runs dry. People are not grateful for what they have until they lose it. Yes. So we should always be grateful for whatever we have. True?
Close it.
Yes or no?
Yes. Means
Imitation.
satisfying. Satisfying.
Yes, we should be always satisfied and contented with whatever we have and should always be grateful. Okay, we should practice gratitude. Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. So when you try to copy someone or something in implicit way of paying them a compliment, so that is the sincerest. Suppose if your friend has got some nice book or something and you also try to copy the same thing, imitating the your friend will make him flatter, right? He will feel, oh my god, everyone is imitating, means I have done
Wrong.
something wrong or something nice, something good. Yes.
Okay.
Great oaks from little acorns glow. Something of small or modest proportions may grow into something very large or impressive.
Unimpressive into impressive.
Hunger is the best sauce. Being hungry makes one less concerned about the taste of one's food, right?
um,
Being hungry makes one, so suppose if you are too hungry and you have only option of having a soup or maybe a some rice or something, though you will not like it but still you will have it, right? Because you are hungry. Yes.
oh,
Yes or no?
what, ma'am?
Hunger is the best sauce. So suppose if you don't like something but still you are hungry and you do not have an option, you would eat that, right?
Okay.
Got it? So hunger is the best sauce.
Ma'am, uh, ma'am, you told an example of soup, and I am only having soup now.
Oh,
Yes.
can we go ahead?
Yes.
Or you want to have soup now?
No. No time wasting.
No time wasting.
Yes.
Good boy. Out
Okay.
of the
Okay.
frying pan into the fire, from a bad situation to one that is worse. So if you are already in a bad situation and the situation becomes worse, so out of the frying pan and then you are into the fire, right? You are already in a bad situation and the bad situation becomes worse. Okay?
आसमान से अटके खजूर में लटके.
Speech is silver, silence is golden. Keeping one's mouth shut is a great virtue. So you should not give reactions whenever not required, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Now, meaning of idioms.
Oh,
In,
idiom,
okay,
idiom.
so English is a fascinating language. It is colorful and full of expression.
I am familiar with idiom.
Yes? Okay. So idioms are a collection of words and phrases which have a meaning that is well established and known. Right?
In the blast, we had to blast.
Yes. Penny for your thoughts. Asking someone what is on their minds. Beat around the bush.
The bush, trying to avoid a subject person situation.
Yes. Burn the midnight off. Work or labor.
Burn the midnight oil.
Work or labor late into the night. Judge a book by its cover. Rely on outward appearances. Tables two to tango. Most these actions, misdeeds require participation from two people. Yes? Yes.
Kill two birds with one stone.
Accomplish two things with the same effort. So you try to accomplish two tasks with the same effort. A piece of cake is an easy job, right?
A piece of cake, an easy task or job. Whole
Yes.
9 years, the
The
entire people
entire
or
thing.
something. A dime or dozen. Very commonplace.
Bite off more than you can chew. Try to take on a task too big for oneself, right?
Cry over spilled milk. Ma'am, I know this one very nicely.
Very good.
To complain about something that
Hit the
cannot
road.
be
Begin
rectified. Hit
begin
the
one's
road.
journey.
Begin one's journey. Ma'am, this
One,
one I also know nicely. Once in a blue moon. Means it is not infrequently, it is rarely.
have a blast to enjoy oneself. Have a good time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh no.
Okay. Next.
Okay. K. KSS. KSS.
What is KSS?
Nothing. Bye, mommy.
Bye, ma'am.
The class is ended, I think.
No, the class has not ended. I am sharing the screen. Can you please wait?
How many more minutes left?
The class has not ended. Okay. Okay. Complete the following. Can you see? Can you see the screen?
No, ma'am.
Wait. Now can you see?
Ma'am, it is only writing copyright, Olympiad success, WW.
Wait.
Yes, I think so.
Now you will see. Yes?
Yes.
You will have to wait. Patience. Quickly do the answers for first 10.
Oh, tests. I don't like tests.
And I will share the link also for this lesson for the test.
No, ma'am, no test. Test.
Birds of a feather.
Oh, no, 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 no. Yes, proverbs, and idioms. Idioms. First.
Quickly complete the proverbs. Birds of a feather.
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen. You are in the first page. English, chapter 3, Proverbs and Idioms, class 3 to 4.
No, I am not on the first page. I am on the second page.
No, I cannot see.
You cannot see. Are you sure?
Yes.
I am sharing again. No, don't
Okay.
worry. We will have to do the test. Start. Quickly do the first 10.
Oh, one. Ma'am, this is staging.
What
On
is changing?
1 and 2 stage.
Dash is the best policy.
Okay, I am doing.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
No, ma'am, I am not doing. Okay.
Why are you not doing it?
Birds of a feather flock together.
Very good. Quickly do all the 10 and I will check your answers.
Ma'am, there are only 10 or 20.
There are 10 and then there is again question 2 which you need to solve. Quickly do it.
But I will not solve it. As you
Let's
know.
let's see. Let's see how much time do you take to solve this.
Policy. That's honesty is the best policy. See, the Rolling Stone dash. Now, what is Rolling Stone dash?
Rolling stone gathers no moss. So a person who keeps on moving from one place to another in search of developing does not develop anywhere.
Now, 1 minute.
Got it? So the answer here is rolling stone gathers no moss. Dash is mightier than sword. What is mightier than sword?
Rolling Stone dash.
Rolling stone gathers no moss. I am giving you the answer, Cavalier. Rolling stone gathers no moss. A person who tries and moves here everywhere to get
Dash is
success.
mightier than a sword.
What is mightier than the sword? Pen is mightier than the sword.
What?
Pen is mightier than the sword. It
Pen?
means pen, P-E-N. So words are more effective than violence. Okay, for changing society. So if you want to bring about any change in the society,
Dash are better than two in a bush.
what is the answer for this? What is the answer? Do you know? No? Then leave it. I will give you the answer at last. Like father, like
Mother.
no. Like father, like
read the proverbs and adages once more?
Like father, like son.
How?
Like father, like son.
Like father, like mother.
No, it is not like father, like mother. It is
Like father, like daughter.
like father, like son. As you make your bed, and the answer which you did not know is a bird in hand is are better than two in a bush.
A bird in.
I will show you that answer. First, you do this one. As you make your bed,
Can I read proverbs and adages once?
no, these proverbs are not. These proverbs are different. So I will show you the answer. Wait,
How do you
wait,
proverbs and
wait.
adages?
Okay, now pay attention. Can you see?
No, ma'am.
Wait.
Okay, I am
Now
waiting.
see.
Waiting. Waiting.
Now see. See. A bird in hand are better than two in a bush. Like
A
father, like son. As you make your bed,
bird
so
in hand are better than two in a bush. As you make your bed, so you must lie. So
so you
must
must
you
like
lie.
you must
Out of
accept the
sight,
con.
out of mind. One swallow doesn't make a summer.
You know, one swallow doesn't make a summer. What is the meaning of it?
Promises are made to be kept.
One swallow doesn't make a summer. Do you know the meaning of this?
I didn't know.
Then, so
Mm,
when something good happens, that does not mean whatever you will follow will also be good. Yes?
One swallow doesn't make a summer. There, that is not in the list, I think.
Yeah, but these are extra ones, so I'm sharing, and this is already shared with you also. Now, choose one of the idioms. See, getting my car fixed is going to cost me an arm and a leg, as the engine has completely blown, but I have no choice.
Getting Getting my car fixed is going to cost me an arm and a leg and also a head.
See, there are options already given there. Can you see? There are options given there. You just have to fill in the blanks and select the options. See, the flu I had last week ago prevented me from going on a holiday with my friends. It was a blessing in disguise. They had a terrible time. Everything went wrong and it cost them a lot of money. I was in a cafe in Italy and amazingly I saw Paul from down the road in there. It's a small world. So there are options given here, Kaibelia. Can you see? See,
Yes,
there
ma'am.
are options given here. So you have to read the sentences and accordingly choose the idiom for that sentence.
All world.
Hmm.
There is
Same
no
way.
small world. There is
Yes.
no small world.
Jan is finally getting a chance to go on her trip of a lifetime, a holiday to Australia. She was over the moon when I spoke to her. Over the moon means very happy. Over the moon means very happy. 3 pounds may seem like a drop in the ocean. Okay? 3 pounds may
The
seem like.
government keeps talking about reducing poverty, but what to do they ever do about it? Nothing. Action speaks louder than words. This I know.
Okay. I have got a promotion at work, but all John did was make a joke about it. He was a real chip on his shoulder. I think he is just jealous.
Jealous.
When a person is jealous, we call him a real chip on his shoulder. Okay? The interview that new job was a piece of
Cake.
cake. They
Means
asked.
very easy. Very easy.
Very good. The new Martin Scorsese film is out at the cinema. A film that comes out that I really enjoy and want to see happens once in a blue moon. So I
Really.
will. Yes,
Really.
yes. He was jumping the gun when he gave up his job to start university. Now he found out he can't get a grant.
Okay, ma'am. We can get the grant no matter what.
Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am, clear.
Any doubts there now?
Ma'am,
No?
if
Clear,
any doubt,
Pro?
if any doubts, I will go to the recording classes. Then I will check it.
In case if you have, you can ask me in the other class also.
No,
That
that
is
I will not do.
why.
I
Why will
don't.
you?
I don't like doing it
Why you don't like to doing it?
because I don't like doing it.
Okay, fine. Don't ask. Hear the recording, and in case still you have doubts, then you have no choice, but you have to ask me. Okay?
No.
No. Fine. So I will be sharing the link for the test for
Okay,
this
ma'am. Bye,
lesson.
ma'am. Bye, bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
bye, bye, bye. Did I say bye?
Yes, ma'am.
When?
Now. Yes.
Now, what will you do next?
Study.
Study again, study.
Yes.
What sports do you play?
Um,
What is your favorite sports?
my favorite sports are three sports.
Which
Sorry,
three?
four. Four sports.
Which four?
Badminton, basketball, football, and chess.
And do you play all of them?
Yes.
Do you know how to play chess?
Yes.
And do you what else do you know?
What?
Quickly tell give me an example of compound word.
Compound words. You are asking from our source.
I'm just asking you, you need to answer.
What is compound word? For
No,
example.
example, just an example.
Compound words example is tricolor.
Next, give an example of palindrome.
Well, the wrong. It is kayak.
Give example of alliteration.
Alitas. This one I have to make sentences. No.
Just make quickly.
Jake the giraffe picked up a giant gun.
Simile.
Means once there lived a giraffe named Gig that picked up a giant gun.
Please answer properly.
Yes.
No.
In chart I am writing.
Please give me the answer for simile.
Uh,
Example of simile.
Simile. This time I will tell you a new simile. Mm, 42 page. As, as slippery as an eel.
What?
As slippery as an eel.
As slippery as an eel.
eel.
Okay. What else?
Not as cunning as a fox.
Homophone.
Red like a rose.
Homophone. Example of homophone.
Example of a homophone. Deer.
Okay. One more.
Here.
Anagram. You should know. You know it.
Anagram, I don't know properly.
Yes.
I am
Then
out.
then remote. If the word is remote and you rearrange the words to make some another word using all
Oh,
the remote will become mature. Yes.
meteor.
When you please sit properly at one place.
What, ma'am?
Please sit down.
Hmm.
You are just waiting when I say bye and you will just end the meeting and run. Yes.
Yes. Now 2 minutes only. Tick,
Now,
tick, tock.
okay, fine. Quickly tell me what are antonyms.
Antonyms are opposite words. Synonyms are similar words. Prefixes are examples like unhappy. Suffixes example like judgment and jumble words. That time.
Explain make, explain make hay while sun shines.
What, ma'am?
Explain make hay while sun shines.
Um, when there is an opportunity, we must use it.
Okay, very good. All that glitters is not gold.
All that seems to be uh, seen in the outer appearance is, but it is worthless in inside.
Okay, so all that glitters is not
Gold.
very good.
Chandni.
One more. Hmm.
7 बज गए. Bye bye.
7 बज गए. Bye bye.
Yes.
Okay, fine. See you in the next class.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Leave me.